Tamswa Jyotirgamay group is the brainchild of one of our friend, dearest friend, Dr. Mamthura, an orthopedic surgeon, but who is a very big devoted person for homeopathy. Along with few of us, we discuss about major difficulty in the field of homeopathy that we all face today, whether it is students, junior practitioners, or senior practitioners. The difficulty is that, as it goes in that song, ye tara, wo tara, जिस तारे को आप देखते हैं वो तारा प्यारा लगता है, पर आपको पता नहीं कि पूरे गगन में ट्रैवल करने के टाइम कहाँ पर हम शुरू करें और कहाँ एंड करें और कौन से तारे को हम फॉलो करें. सो तमसा वाज बोर्न टू बेसिकली integrate, converge all the good work which is going on in the field of homeopathy, minus the confusion. There is no dearth of work in our field, but the difficulty was the confusion which we also have simultaneously along with the development. So Jyotirgamay was an effort towards making a communication between the stalwarts and the teachers. So we got help from the teachers who are on the screen, or some of their photographs might not be on the screen. These are all people who are sensitive to this purpose. They understood the difficulty, and that is how the group was formed few years back. The group has been working together for understanding each other's concept, and this is our first seminar in that sense where we are trying to present our views together. Our goal is that slowly we reach a point of time where for every difficulty that we face as a homeopath, we know exactly what is the best approach. We also know that there is no confusion or there is no dilemma about what we have to do. So the whole idea is better practice of homeopathy by converging all these ideas. And as we would like to put up in our symbol, it's one lamp lighting another, and that light should prevail and spread so well that whatever perceived darkness we have in the field of homeopathy is going to disappear. Homeopathy is a very powerful science, and something is required to make it much more powerful than what it is right now. And this is an attempt that we want to light up the LED, not just a conventional lamp. We want to link all good work. We want to enlighten the depth and the details of each approach. And we want to demystify. We don't want to keep homeopathy at a level where it becomes one single person's magic. It has to become our joint magic, our combined magic.